Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and we're here to do another mite treatment today. Today we're going to use a product called Apivar. It's a product that consists of amitraz impregnated in a plastic strip. This is a chemical treatment. You cannot have honey supers on when you treat with this. This is an easy treatment to do, but it's a long treatment. It's 42 to 54 days. The way this treatment works is we rip the two strips apart like this. We open our colony, and we are going to use 2 strips per brood box or per 5 frames of brood. So I'm going to put 2 strips in the top here, push them down between the frames, and I'm going to put 2 strips in the bottom box. I like to make sure I got 4 frames of bees covered. So if I put them between 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 on the top box, I'll go between 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 on the bottom box. That way I've got 4 full frames being, seams being treated. It's a contact, so the bees have to walk over it for the treatment, and it's a great treatment, very, very effective. But again, 42 to 54 days.